Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on the application of Brave app. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we go down until you find here Brave app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store and you can update your app if you find update in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.